Hey everybody. Long time no speak. I'm wearing a coat tonight because it's cold as crap outside. I just got home from work a little bit ago and it's freaking cold, man. I haven't turned the heaters on or anything, so I just wanted to get a quick little video off to you guys. Check out what we got. We got some stuff back from Powder Extreme Coating, run by Kevin Langford here in down in the West Jordan area. If you guys are around the Utah area, they are a killer group of dudes, really know what they're doing, and they've done a beautiful job. If you guys, if you think about it, if you guys have like, let's check, let me just show you. Let's bring this hub up here so you guys can see it. Now the light doesn't do this justice at all, but this is kind of a yellow gold metal flake color hub. They mask off the areas that you have a rotor and a sprocket attaching. But if you think about it, when you go buy a billet hub, a couple $100, man, you guys can just take apart your wheels and have any color powder coating you want. At least at Kevin's shop there at Powder Extreme Coating, you can go to Prism Colors online and pick out any color you want and they'll do it for you there. I mean, this is just, I mean, you guys know I like the bling. I like the bling factor. But you can spend less money to powder coat your hub, and they're, you know, stock hubs or OEM hubs. You beat the crap out of them and they hold up good. And anyway, check that out. And this is on that 1991 KDX250 that we're building. Got a bunch of parts over here, so let's just let's kind of unwrap, and I'll bring you a little close up. This is the front hub. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that just freaking killer? What I want to do is I want to get some oversized black spokes. Let me show you the rims. This, of course, is the front rim. I mean, when they go to do this, you take it into them, they sandblast everything, they clean them up good, and then they powder coat them. Part of me doesn't want to take this stuff off so I'm ready to do it. Oh man, guys. Oh, I wish you could see this. If I get really close, can you guys see the metal flake in there? If I turn it just right, maybe I can get the light to, there you go, a little bit. This is like serious bling factor. Now what I want to do is I want to take this front hub, this front wheel, lace them up with some oversized black spokes and chrome nipples. What do you think? Well, you know, you guys might not have the same taste I do. I may not have the same taste you do, but you know, you guys can seriously make up your own color combinations. And this stuff's, I mean, this is serious powder coating. I mean, that stuff's hardcore, it lasts, you know? So, got that. Let's, I haven't even looked at this stuff yet. You guys are seeing it for the first time just like I am. I know I'm standing in the light, you don't get good lighting and all that stuff. Sorry about that. You'll see more. This is supposed to be black, which it is black. Oh yes, I love it. I love it. Oh, this is killer. Hope you guys can see. This has got metal flake in it. Can you see that? The sparkly? This is large size metal flake. Now if that's not bling factor, I don't know what is. Oh, that is killer. I love that. And people are gonna say, well, why would you do that? Why would you spend money on powder coating all that? Because it looks freaking cool, man. It's not because It's just because I like different stuff. I don't like the same stuff everybody else has. You guys know what I'm talking about. All right, let's put that down. And the frame. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna have to bring the camera over to this. I wonder if that'll stay there. Oh man, that is beautiful. It's kind of a little precarious there. Try not to touch it. Let me get the camera. Bring you guys over here. See if you guys can appreciate this. I'm gonna come right up over with the lens. There is the frame. And it's a purple color. I cannot remember exactly the name of it, but that takes this old, sort of washed up KDX and turned it into something really cool. Isn't that beautiful? There's a frame, and then let's just gander down here. Get a close up so you can see the bling on that hub. I mean, check that out. I know that may not be your taste. That's all right. We all got our own thing going, you know. But isn't that beautiful? Look at the bling on that thing. Check out if you can see the metal flake. There's just full of metal flake. In the sun, that's just gonna pop. And check out this frame, or sorry, the swing arm. I'm getting my face in there, getting the shade so you can't really see it so much, but I mean, can you see that? Oh, that is killer, man. I love it. That's what we're talking about, just something different, you know? So, now that the parts are back from powder coating, I know the motor bottom end is done, waiting for the top end to be done. And I'm gonna start assembling that pretty soon here. I just wanted to do a quick little update on the powder coating. I still have all this stuff over here that needs to be gone through and cleaned, and oh man, that's a little overwhelming to think about, but as far as the powder coating stuff goes, I'm super happy with that. Oh, you know what we ought to do? Let's just kind of see how that looks with that. Oh yeah. Yeah, I love it. That's my thing, man. And I have, by the way, where is it? Oh, it's over here. I have an 18-inch Sedona 907 rear tire with the tubeless rear tube deal. That's gonna go on that thing. I've got all my suspension parts already purchased except for the short and front springs for the forks. I have gold valves from Race Tech, all new bearings. Man, I'm jazzed to get that thing going, don't you think? Anyway, I just wanted to give you a brief update, pretty raw. Hope you guys like it. If you don't, go have your own stuff powder coated, your own style, man. And keep in mind, it's all about your own thing. And you know, this stuff is really great for protecting these old frames and wheels. Those are the stock wheels, stock hubs. I'm just gonna relace them, and it holds up good. Yeah, you're gonna scratch them. Yeah, you're gonna beat them up a little bit, but hey, it's a dirt bike, man. I hope you all having a good day. Much love. Duff Factor, be gone.